What is up? It is Nizelkov, and now we are going to give you more Russian songs for our new album, Road to Vodka. This is song number 2, which is Vodka Style. Well, anyways, it is a remix slash rewrite of that weird song Gangnam Style by Psy, but here we go. We are going to make it Russian around here. Hex yeah. Vodka style. Vodka style. Vodka style. We are sitting here. We are drinking our vodka. It tastes really good and makes you say, oh yeah, we don't drink that beer. We only drink vodka. We are sitting here drinking our vodka. It tastes like good and we are dancing up and down the streets while we drink our vodka all over trees. Now we beat around and we sing it all day, and this is how we do it. We do it all day. When people say, hey, come on, give me some, I say, no. I say, get your own, get your own, get your own vodka. Whopple vodka style. 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 We're sitting here drinking all our vodka down to the last drop until we say, oh yeah, it tastes really good and makes you say, oh yeah, we don't drink that beer, we only drink vodka. When people want to drink vodka, I drink to them, but I don't let them have my vodka. They have to go to the store and get their own vodka. Just the way I roll, that's how I roll. When people say, hey, come on, give me some, I say no. You know what I say? I say get your own, get your own, get your own. Whopper vodka style. 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 We're drinking our vodka. Vodka style. It tastes really good and makes you vodka style. Say, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, vodka style. We don't drink that beer, we drink our vodka style. Vodka style. Vodka style. Vodka style. Vodka style. And that's how you hip hop it Russian style.